Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Google account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up the Google application on your computer or on your mobile phone, and then you're going to go to your account here. Okay, and then you can select add account, and after that you will see create account option. If you want to create a new account, new Google account, you can select this one. And then I'm going to choose, for example, for my personal use. Okay, and then you can add first name. For example, I'm just going to add this name, just put on random name like this, and then click on next. And then you can add the basic information such as birthday. And I'm just going to pick random day, guys. Alright, and this is for the gender. I'm going to choose female and click on next. And then you can choose your Gmail address. You can choose the available ones or you can create your own Gmail address. And I prefer this one. So I'm going to make Gmail address like this, guys. And then I'm going to click on next. Alright, and then you can add password and also confirm the password like this. And I'm going to click on next. Okay, now it's done. The verification is completed, and then you can add your recovery email address, but I'm going to skip this step. And okay guys, as you can see that my Google account is ready now. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!